Hey guys, last time on episode 2, I walked you guys through the full customization and painting of my CZP09. And in this video here, I will show you how to cut out your custom loadout for Kaizen foam. And this here will be the last step, and my customization will be totally finished up. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so here we have 1-inch thick Kaizen foam, and I already got it cut out and I am placing it into the bottom of my case. So first step, lay out all the gear, your gun, your mags, whatever you're wanting to do for custom cutout. Lay it in there, get it all leveled out to where you want it. And then I take my X-Acto knife that I use for hobbies, cutting decals, and I will trace around here. You'll see, trace it around and start taking off the first layer, the first depth. This Kaizen foam is in layers, so that's what makes it nice. You can cut it to the depth that you want. So cut it out, place the gun in to see if that's the depth you want. If not, you can cut it more. That's what I'm doing here, cutting it more to make it a little deeper. A lot of people use a heat knife, but I found that this works just as good using the X-Acto knife. It works great. So plus I didn't have a heat knife anyway. Now I'm moving on to the magazines here, and the same process goes as the gun. Just cut it out and then take off that first layer, and then I'll place the magazine back in, and if it's not as deep as I want, I'll do another layer. So I sped this up, this whole video of cutting out and everything sped up so that you guys don't have to watch too awful long. But like I said, laying everything out is key, and then just go down through each piece of the loadout, cut it out to where you want it in the depth, and it'll come out beautiful. The last piece here is the speed loader, cutting it out the exact same way that I did everything else. And there you have it, all done. Here's the finished product, coupled with the paint job and the weathering effect. I think this is beautiful. Hey guys, if you've made it to the end, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe for more content coming soon. Thanks.